December. Welcome back, I'm Tom and this is Custom Tom. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and maybe have a watch of the rest of the video so you know who I am and all that kind of shit. Today I will be, well I say today, this will be over a few days. I'm going to be stripping the bike down to start the restoration, resto mod project, you know, whatever. So that's that. I'm going to be starting with that. The last camera, the one put me out and made me look like a bit of a well, that was annoying to say the least. Did all that. I bet I had some great footage as well. Anyway, yeah, so I formatted that card and hopefully that will work today or in this video. Yes, so I'm going to be taking stuff off the bike today. I've written some faults that I've found before I cleaned it and whilst cleaning it. Indicators, one's broke, one doesn't work at the right hand rear. Horn's a bit dull, yeah, so might just need cleaning and relocating. It's probably because of the rain or the loom. Anyway, the front brake light switch, that's a bit iffy. It's a bodged one, it's the original one. I bodged it up to get it work through MOT, so I need a new one of them. I did have one from Wiimoto, but that was shite. That lasted 2 weeks. So yeah, don't. Tenner, is it worth, you know, to get through MOT maybe, yeah, but no, I won't bother. Steering bearing top cover, the cap that goes over the steering bearings under the top yoke, that's broke. Rear mudguard's broken, that's down here, it's off the bike. So I'll need fiberglass kit for that. I'm going to get a fiberglass kit. I want to sort the under tray out anyway, smooth that off. Get fiberglass kit for that. Some cracks in the fairings here and there, fiberglass kit. Holes in the fairing, fiberglass kit. So it's all worked out well. Just be a Halford Speciale. These are like this one here. eBay specials. These pins were. They said titanium. That'll be bollocks. They're rusting up. So what's that tell me? So I need a new set of them. I'll get proper ones. I'm not going to get Pro Bolt. Get something a bit cheaper than that. Choke cable snap's got part. Fuel tap. That the plastic bit's broke on that, so I'll get a new one of them. The fuel cap isn't sitting flush, so I think it should be. So, but the ignition barrels are worn, so we'll get 2 new matching keys, then we're sound then, aren't we? Headlight mount up here, broken. Got some glue or see how much the second hand one is. Second hand unit as well. Seat covers are shit, so that's that. Rear brake, it hasn't got a return spring on, so it doesn't return by itself, so I need to do something with that if I don't get, because the resets aren't something that I'll be changing straight away. It'll be towards summer, spring, summer. Like with fairings, I'm not going to be painting them until I'm happy with everything else, because then I can put them back on, ride the bike around through summer, and then it'd probably be the last thing I do, paint the fairings. So at the moment, the sound, aren't they? So they're not shit, they aren't brilliant, but there we go. I think that's everything I've found so far. Yeah, got my stickers. I'm going to get cracking on then. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe. Well, first wanker of the day. I'm only try and get fair enough. Seized bolt. It's always one, isn't there? Always one. Has to be one. Always one. So that confirms it. Definitely getting new fairing bolts. Come on. I'm just draining the oil at the moment as well. And there. I think even Miss Untidy's person will be happy with what I'm doing. There are all the pins from the fairings off there. Bagged and tagged. Chucked in bin for time being. This is the headlight bracket that's broken. I'll just unplug this and I'll show you where it is. Unplug the headlight and the rest of the lights. and you need to unclip your ram air in the front. Oh, trousers are getting a bit loose. Working too hard, obviously. Right then. So as we see here, broken. Obviously it's meant to be like that one. Yeah, it's a bit annoying. So I've tried glue it on before. The last time I stripped it. So I'll try to do something with that. Just a bit better. But for now I'll just put it in the fairing bag. That's all the fairings off except for this. But I'll get that off later on. Yeah. I've left this under tray on and the original under tray on because I wanted to check clearances and everything for what I've got. I've just moved the loom out the way. What I want to do is move it upwards like that, so it's more in the seat unit underneath it. But it's these two front bits here that aren't quite sitting right for some reason. I think it's because it's on top of the original under tray, which, if you didn't know, to fit the aftermarket one, you'd have to cut this big gaping hole out with the mud guard down here, but also retain the battery tray and all the gubbins like fuse box and the ECU. So there's that, which I want to do. As you can see, my paintwork as well, when I have painted it around here and here, it's just started peeling off. Not very good. I did sand it down. So yeah, I just want this up, squeezed up a bit. I'll put the seat unit back on another time. So I'm just keeping all this together. Next off is the tank, but I've got to drain it first. So that's the next job here. Which I might go have my brew and leave it there for a time being. Right, so I'm going to drain the coolant. There's a little drain plug here, 8mm. Should never do this when it's hot. I've seen someone do that before. You don't want to do that because it will burn you. It's not fun. Oh, that's mint. So we'll do some of these caps. Oh, there we go. Sorry if you need a wee wee. That's it. You never do this when the engine's hot, because it will scald you. And when it's finished draining, just wipe the thing back in, and plug it back in, and dispose of this correctly, safely.
Right then, so I'm back at it. Right, I'm back at it, it's the day after. Emptied fuel tank. Thought I'd give you a quick tip here. You want to take this airbox off, but you're sick of them doing all these bolts and what have you. Down in there, take this one of the both of these grommets out. Down in there you can get at the pin that holds it in. The long extension, 10mm. And just undo. Then it comes straight off. Oh, you got to undo the ram air ducts and all that stuff. So there is that, which I'll do now. I need new pins for these ducts, really. Take the pipe out of the way. And it should just lift off. Oh, mustn't be undone enough. It's all just sticking. Bit of a struggle there. There we go. Straight off. Name either. On the box. While you're not working on the carburetors, always cover them. Always cover them with something that isn't dusty or anything. This is just a bit dirty, but it's not too bad. That's all you need to do. And you're done.